All right, fellow GMC owners, my name's Dave, and you found do it yourself, do it right. And well, today I'm going to show you guys how to change this dreaded windshield wiper, or rear window wiper, I should say. It's not fun. It's a pain, and the people at the auto parts store, they try their dangest to not do it for you, even though they offer free replacement. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to need is a small flat tip, or maybe a pair of needle nose pliers. Maybe the angled kind would work best. All my good tools are up at the hanger, so I'm going to work with this little flat tip. But basically you just got to pull your wiper away, and up inside of there there's a little lever that you have to push up, which up would be away from the back of the car, and then you have to push the wiper to the center of the car to get it to come loose. And I can't hold the camera and do it all at the same time, so I'm gonna set you up. All right, so like I said, pull your wiper up, get your big noggin up in here. You'll see the little tab, and I'll show you the tab once I get it off. Little plastic tab, you just got to push it up and then slide your wiper towards the center, and it pops right off. The little tab that I'm talking about is this guy right here. This guy that sticks up. You got to push it in, and it releases the little locking mechanism. Now that one's off, throw it away, grab your new one. And I bought the Duralast. It's an 11-inch. It's just an 11. They make 11 A's and B's and Q's and T's and whatever. All you need is an 11. So you take the E, it's labeled E, right down here, and you pop it on the little stud here. Now you got to make sure this is the smaller side and the bigger side. You got to make sure you use the bigger side for the opening, so your arm can slide up in here and you can slide it that way. So to do that, you got to make sure you put it like so, and you just pop it on. Just clicks. It's in, it's in where it's supposed to go now. So now you just put it back up in here, slide it up on the rod, and it should click then too. It's typically easier said than done. And let's give it a whirl. Put it up in here where it's supposed to go, and then slide it. There it goes, locked in. That's all there is to it, folks. Make sure it sits flush. If you're happy with it, make sure she wipes the window the way it's supposed to. All right, so that's one quick and easy job on the GMC. If you guys own a GMC, check out all the rest of my GMC videos that I do. I did a bunch on the headlights, changing the headlights. I did a video on polishing up your headlights so they don't get all foggy. Oil change, battery change. If you're having issues with your power windows, there's a easy repair, easy fix. Take the door card off, clean the little contacts, make sure your windows go up and down. My passenger side window would not go down with the controls on this side, so I took it all apart, cleaned up the contacts. Now it works like a charm. Oh, let's see, I got brake videos. You know, I got videos all over this GMC. So if you're here solely for GMC, changing that wiper, check out all the other stuff too. So, you know, if you like the video, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And like always, till next time, thanks a lot. Oh yeah, that's the way the windshield wiper is supposed to wipe.